Broadway here, back with another episode of Ask Starbase. So today, Blue Girl from South School in Windsor Locks had the question, how does our sense of smell work? Let's sniff out the answer. Whenever we smell something, our nose and brain work together to make sense of very tiny invisible particles that are floating in the air. If we sniff, more of those molecules can reach the roof of our nostrils, and it is easier to smell a smell. The fact that we have two nostrils allows our brain to detect small differences in the number of molecules that reach each one, so we can follow a smell trail just like a tracker dog. Have you ever tried finding where a smell is coming from? It is super hard when you have one nostril blocked. The sense of smell also helps us taste food. That is why food tastes bland whenever your nose is blocked. Inside your nostrils, there are tiny things called neurons that talk to one another using electrical messages. Our brains are mostly made of neurons too, by the way. These type of tiny cells, called olfactory neurons, olfaction means smell, have long cable-like connections that send electrical messages to a spot at the front of the brain, known as the olfactory bulb. Each olfactory neuron connects with another different neuron in the olfactory bulb, which then sends this information to other areas of the brain. The parts of the brain that get these signals do other things, such as storing memories or provoking emotions. That is why some smells can bring back old memories. Even some older adults can remember the smell of their kindergarten class or their grandparents' house. Also, some smells can make us feel scared or happy, such as the smells of smoke or flowers. For example, the smell of a freshly mowed lawn can help us relax. Do you have nice memories of a place or food that you've smelt in the past? The way the brain deals with smells is very different of how it deals with other senses, such as seeing or hearing. For example, we can identify the different instruments playing in a band, or the different shapes and colors in a painting, but it is very hard for us to tell the individual parts of a smell mixture. We can feel the smell orange or coffee as a single thing, but we have trouble identifying the many different parts that make up those smells individually. However, it is possible to get better at this with practice. Professional perfume makers can actually detect more parts of a smell mixture than most people. Clearly, the nose knows a lot about our sense of smell. I hope this episode helped you make sense of how our sense of smell works. If you have a question that you'd like to ask us, please submit it to ask@starbasect.com or go to our website, starbase-ct.com, and ask it there. Have a great day.